While the Bellingham Public Library has been closed to in-person services during the pandemic and our remodel project, our staff has been busier than ever with our curbside service. Behind the scenes, library staff have developed an intricate system to keep materials moving this past year. Thousands of books, materials, and DVDs are transported from city and county branches to the central library every week, where they are checked in and processed. For safety, all returned items are boxed and quarantined for 24 hours. The next day, staff unload the books to be checked in and shelved. When a holds notification is received, the material is located in the system and prepared for the hold shelf. Each piece is tagged and grouped by the individual's name. When items are ready, patrons receive a notification to call the library or use the My Libro app to schedule a pickup. On the day of scheduled appointments, library staff check out each item, bag them, and mark them with the appropriate pickup time. Our curbside program serves 2,000 appointments each week. Appointments are carefully timed to minimize contact between library users and staff at the central library entrance. Every curbside pickup is as important to us as it is to your family. Although the curbside service has centralized our staff in one location, the Fairhaven, Barkley, and Central branches are all accepting returns. A Bellingham Public Library service we thought would last a few weeks has now spanned more than 9 months and distributed nearly 300,000 items to keep you safely educated and entertained. We are here for you and continuing curbside pickup while we look forward to fully reopening our doors.